Never gonna say goodbye.
I don't know. Maybe this book will change your mind.
Could be.
Never gonna turn you around and desert you.
What though? I tell you what, I've had the idea about Spreadsheet Rescue with John Toffer, right? With Bar Rescue, right? And then you have the guy come in there. What is this? This spreadsheet has no validation. None. What are you doing? Are you incompetent or you're just lazy? What is it?
Oh, this is like the.
You get all the validation in here, and you might see me tomorrow.
Other things that you've done. What is a dragon cookie story? What is that?
Dragon cookies. That started with I like spicy food, and I found a sriracha peanut butter cookie recipe online, and all the sriracha did was add color to the cookie. There was no heat at all. I'm still looking for the person who put that recipe up. I'm looking for you, because that was not a funny joke to play. Datascopic. I started thinking data from the microscopic to the macroscopic to the kaleidoscopic.
Ah.
Yeah.
I heard you died. Way back up there. Somebody died. You faked your own death. Came back out. Hiding from IRS. You gotta take a picture. All right, I'll take a picture. I will take a picture. Take your part of the way.
All right. 1, 2. Come on, Clippy, smile.
Come on, Clippy, smile. Smile, Clippy.
All right, one more. All right, you didn't really smile, Clippy. I'm sorry.
Yeah, I'll wear it up next time. Let's get a good score. One more.
All right, this is odds for all the marbles.
I don't miss Clippy.
First of all, one, kind of, there we go. 1, 2, 3. All right, I'll turn it off.
We'd like to welcome back, if we could, Mr. Carl Pepperseed.
Thank you, Rick. Thank you. Excel community. If there's any lawyers that would have any experience with employment law, Ms. Rhonda Jeffries is having a problem. Her coworker sent her a spreadsheet, and the numbers weren't right. So she smelled something. She smelled a fish. She smelled book cooking. She smelled a fish fry. Something was not right. So she ran the spreadsheet through Inquire and got a lot of details about the various formulas in the spreadsheet. Some of them had hard-coded numbers in them. There were no cell references. It led her to think that this was done on purpose. She then took the XLSX and changed that extension to zip. And she unzipped the spreadsheet and saw the last editor. And it was their boss. Their boss was the one making the gumbo in the spreadsheet, cooking those books. That's what I said when I heard about this thing. So she confronted the boss. And our boss says, "You're lying." Called it a lie and said something about her mama. And Rhonda Jeffries said, "You better watch it with those relative references." So the two women fought in the office, and a week later, Rhonda Jeffries was brought down to HR and was cut loose. No explanation. So she wants to bring a suit. If there's any lawyers in the Excel community, please get in touch with us here at Excel TV. Thank you. I am wonderful. If you could taste me, you know I would be so delicious. I'm in Fort Collins, Colorado right now, on my way to Portland. Next stop is Salt Lake City.
You heard it, delicious and tasty. He's on the road, so just stick your tongue out as he's going by. He's delicious and tasty.
We're having a good time here. Meeting a lot of good people. I never met Rick and Jordan before tonight.
We've been doing Excel TV since March, and finally got together tonight for the first time. It's been really good, and it started back in March when the three of us got together with this idea of Excel TV. Get together and talk about what? We didn't know it was supposed to be a 20-minute conversation, 20-minute show. And we said, okay, so I start thinking about, should we start running some surveys? Or what should we do before we get this started? And Rick says, we don't know what we're doing, so we need to just do it. So 2 weeks later, we were on the air, and then, yeah, it just went from there. And we saw that 20 minutes, we were not going to do this show in 20 minutes. We've gone anywhere from an hour to about an hour 40 minutes and talk about all kind of really great stuff, putting a context around Excel. Because Excel is just a tool. And how much talk can you have about a shovel or a wood engraver or a window shield de-icer? You can't talk about that very long. But if you have a context around it, then you got something interesting. And that's what we do with Excel TV, is we make it a context and we make it fun. All right, I'm gonna get back here and see what people are talking about.